Hello and welcome to the workshop summer bash. Mela, as far as you know, we didn't have any in-house competitions due to the lockdown, but we're doing 3 WODs in 3 weeks. Mela, and the first workout is welcome back from lockdown, meaning movements that you did in the lockdown. Alright? It's a body weight, alternate every minute on the minute, meaning you do max reps every minute, and every minute will change the movement. So it's a 5-minute time cap. The score is the total repetitions of all the movements. Mela, 3, 2, 1, go. You have in the first minute, you have a pike push-up. Second minute, step-ups. Third minute, butterfly sit-ups. Fourth minute, burpees. Fifth minute, jump overs. Mela, so we count all the reps. We check if there are no reps or not. So if you filmed it, we count the reps. If you had a judge, that's final, okay? He can tell you no rep. Mela, let's go to the standards. First minute, going to perform maximum reps pike push-ups. The standards for male and female, it's a bit different. Females can use an up mat, males cannot. Alright? That's important. The basic standards. Now, the female will make sure that her head hits the mat and fully extend the elbows. Same goes to the male, but head hits the ground and fully extend the elbows. Second minute, standards for male. This will be the height for the male. This will be the height for the females. It's important. Fully lock your hip, both feet on the box. Both feet landing. This is a no rep. I didn't lock my hip. So fully lock your hip. Alright? It's an alternating feet, meaning left, right, right, left. This is an no-rep because both feet must touch the ground. Alright? Now, let's go for third minute. Butterfly sit-ups. Abmat is allowed. Feet together. Alright? If you lose your stability, your feet end up slide over here. Doesn't make any difference. The important is your hands hits the ground over your head, alright, and over your toes. So if you bring your feet like this, it's going to be impossible because you need to put your arms over your toes, alright? So in this position, a bit forward, a bit backward. Important is overhead touch the ground, over toes touch the ground. So this is your option if you use an ab mat or not. Mala, 4th minute. Alright, it's a burpee, so your chest must hit the ground. If the chest hits in this position, it's a no rep. Make sure your chest is on the ground, alright? If you don't jump, that's a no rep, so chest ground up and a bit extension. So, big jump, small jump. Important is your feet extended the ground. So, final minute, 5th minute, we're going to use a PVC. Alright? Why a PVC? Because if you use dumbbell and the dumbbell is like this, alright, you end up jumping in front of the dumbbell and that's all no reps. Okay? So, you will need a PVC and you're going to jump over. Alright? No step over in this movement. Jump over. You can do it lateral, facing backward. The important is you jump over the PVC. Thank you. You can start doing this workout whenever you want. You can redo how many times you want. Okay? The best score is the most important score. So you want to do it once, twice, 3 times every day. It's up to you. Thank you and enjoy.